how to add or remove the color inversion button to the quick settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the pencil icon or the edit button. Next, tap on edit. Then we go down to the available buttons panel in here and then tap on color inversion. So tap on that button to add in the shortcut button to the quick settings panel shortcut. Here, tap on done. Then tap on done again to save the changes. Now if you pull down the quick settings panel in here, then pull down again. Here you can see we have color inversion. If I tap on it, that will allow you to quickly change your color inversion. Here we can quickly switch it off. So it's quite handy to have it right there from the quick settings panel. To remove it, we tap on the edit button, then tap on edit. Then we scroll down and tap on the remove button to remove color inversion. Then tap on done. Then tap on done again to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.